Hi, it's Elder and I'm back to YouTube after a little break. It wasn't intentional, I just had too much personal matters I needed to take care of first. But now I'm back to normal and I have actually set up this new studio, which I'm going to use for future videos and hopefully upload them on a weekly basis. And I have a long list of videos I've been thinking of for many years, and I'm actually finally going to produce these videos. Starting these, of course, the web design tutorials for blogs and other web design tools like Squarespace. Then, of course, I am a big fan of iPad, so I will create lots of videos on iPad and how I'm using it as my main device on a daily basis. And at some point, I might even combine these two topics, web design and iPad, and show you how I'm building websites, actual complex website using just my iPad. So very cool topic. I'm going to cover this in coming month. I'm also a big fan of quality technology, quality tech. I love the Apple's hardware. I like the Google's services. I like companies like Tesla and others. So expect some tutorials and reviews on these products and services. I also like to think that through my life I gained lots of experience and I have learned many good tips and tricks for productivity, for self-improvement, and even some tips on how to create successful businesses. So stay tuned for videos on these topics as well. And finally, although I don't like to use this word a lot, I think I am kind of minimalist. Yeah, minimalist. And basically, I've been traveling all my life. I've been always on the road, always moving around. And this taught me to focus on the important stuff in my life. I don't have a lot of belongings. I have a few, but very important to me things which I learned how to use to its full potential. And this is the story of my life actually. I don't have a lot, but what I have, I use it 100%. And this actually made my life easier and it helped me to focus on what's important. So I think that it is a good thing to be this way and that this can be helpful to some of you there. So once again, web design, iPad, technology, self-improvement and productivity, and finally minimalism. This is a list of topics I am going to create videos on in coming weeks, months, years, I hope. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you and your family are safe and happy, and I'm going to talk to you in the next video.